international referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Bulldogs of the National University. Let's start out with jersey number 2, Ivy Giselle Perez. At number 3, Elijah Daphne Santiago. Wearing jersey number 7, Riza Jane Mandapat. At number 14, Jarrell Singh. Wearing jersey number 17, Myla Pablo. And their team captain with jersey number 12, Siemens Desiree Dadang. Libero number 5, Fatima General. Head coach, Mr. Ariel Dong de la Cruz. Calling on Our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Let's start with jersey number 1, Private First Class Jeannie Sabas. At number 5, Private First Class Mary Jean Balse. Wearing jersey number 8, Private First Class Jovelyn Gonzaga. At number 13, Miss Rachel Ann Bakit. Wearing jersey number 14, Private Nerissa Bautista. And their team captain with jersey number 7, Corporal Tina Salak. Libero number 15, Miss Christine Agno. Head coach, Sergeant Rico De Guzman.
Lahat sila may posisyon. Sergeant so-and-so, Corporal Tina Salak. Nandito po si General.
Promoted ako kagad eh. General ako kagad.
Pero ito, no, ngayon ko lang na-realize, All-Star Day, ano?
Yeah.
Lahat ng stars na gusto ng mga fans ay nandito sa lahat ng 6 na team actually sa araw na ito maglalaro.
Yes, so it's really kumbaga sulit na sulit ang pinunta ng mga tao dito, sulit na sulit ang pagpapanood nila today because all the idols, all the volleyball players
the teams that they like, you know,
they're all playing today.
And I just can't predict the number of sets, and you might think it's easy to detect this could be a 3-setter because of the way Army seems to have all the odds stacked in favor of them. Let's see if NU has a few surprises up their sleeves. Singh with the first attack. Agno got to it. That is, of course, one of our permanent stars here.
Oh, Santiago with that first kill for NU.
Ito na yung theory ko nung last Sunday. Hindi pa. Kala ko si Jaja na magsaserve. Hindi ba sabi ko dati yung theory ko? Pag nag-score siya, pag nag-serve siya, usually ang serve na sala. Kasi yung nagpapampay adrenaline niya. Well, that's not gonna happen yet. As we will have Perez, who has just improved so much during this conference.
Oh, good start from Perez. Excellent start here from NU. But again, ito yung ating yung usual this is how we see NU. They start off really well, pero pagdating naman sa dulo, minsan doon sila kinakapos.
Sa gitna, ano? Sa gitna, papuntang the way it should end in their favor, it doesn't happen.
Some teams, it's the other way around. They start off very slow, and then towards the end, biglang aarangkada.
I think we saw that in the Air Force when they won in 5 sets against the LDT home Telpad. If it's one family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Perez still serving. It is 3-0. Third serve by Perez.
Another good serve. So another service ace there from Perez. Excellent service.
And natutulog pa sa barracks. Yeah, Tina Salak now directing traffic, telling people where to go, what to do. Tina Salak just so in charge as Perez serves.
Oh, sends it outside. So the adjustment and positions of Army medyo naka-affect sa service ni Perez.
Nag-change yung view mo no? Bakit pumunta dun yun? Bakit gumalaw yun?
Plus your target will be different. May iba yung target mo
Okay.
Sabas with the serve. Jaja with the drop. Jaja. Another point for NU. So far, so good here for the Lady Bulldogs.
Alam mo si Jaja, pagka nakakita ng regalo, talagang very excited child, ano?
Yes.
Talagang bubuksan yung regalo at iuuwi kahit hindi Pasko. Tingnan natin kung itong serve na ito ay papuwi, nag-adjust.
Jaja now with the...
Tingnan mo. Axel, official arbiter of the Shakey's, really. I hope someday, Jaja, you prove my theory wrong. As Rachel Andakis will be serving. Si Rachel kasi nagpa-press sa pants. Smile din siya.
Yeah. Right.
FU pa lang to, smiler talaga ito. Uy, nice serve.
Good pick up from General. Oh, Pablo straight into the net. Another error there for NU.
I was teasing Myla Pablo. Parang kulang yata ang hair clips mo today. Tinamad ako, sir. Okay. Pati yung pinakikialaman ko eh. 3-5. Pati dengue, papakialaman ko. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger katulad gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Taki says, let's go to Tina Bautista.
Pablo goes to sing. Oh, Balse. Looking for a touch, no touch.
Kita mo sabay-sabay sila umikot na. Parang sayaw eh. Pati tama ka, no touch. So 6-3 ang bilang natin.
So far, so good for the Lady Bulldogs. And this is going to be an interesting match, because although we know that NU here would be, well, they would be the underdogs here in this match. Obviously, Army would have the more experience. But these are the top two teams when we talk about blocking. And that's going to be interesting.
We should take a look at that as we sail along. Army, there have been games wherein they have been strong in the first 2 or 3 sets and lose energy in the 4th and 5th. Somehow, a bit of the age factor begins to creep in. They were forced into 5 sets by Ateneo. Keep that in mind as well. In the meantime, it's 7-4 as the serve will be long to Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Serve is good.
Alanganin.
Good coverage for NU. They go to Mandapat, whose attack goes off the block.
And we are at 8-4. Mandapat.
Ibang kalibre yung makakalaban nila. But sabi ni Coach Ariel, definitely it's the latter for his girls dahil they are very excited to learn a lot from these veterans, and at the same time, mag-gauge nila kung nasaan na sila talent-wise. At kahit namumuhunan daw sila dun sa ilalim ng ating standing, sabi nila, they're gonna give this one their best shot. Guys?
I think so. They have no other choice but to do that.
Mandapat now for the serve. Serve is good. Good pick up there from Gonzaga. Balse finally connecting.
Last time these two teams met, 3-set victory by the Philippine Army. 25-19, 25-22, 25-22 in an hour and 14 minutes. It is a 9-5 or 5-9 from the point of view of the server. Balse serve in play. Well done. Gonzaga Bautista rejected, and Doc is unable to lift it up.
Good block there from Perez. That is one of the advantages of having a tall setter, that extra defense at the front.
Nagbago na yung model, yung prototype. I like still the small, quote-unquote undersized setters like Ruby De Leon, Giselle C, and the like. But the trend seems to be going for a lot of tall setters because it's an additional blocker.
That's right.
Jeannie Sabas takes care of business and makes it 6-10, but it is still in favor of the Lady Bulldogs. I like the way you said it. The Bulldogs could be the underdogs, and rightfully so today.
But I mean, I'm sure everybody would be thinking that Army would have the advantage here. But of course, in that last play, Jaja definitely has clear advantage all over the net.
She went beyond her assigned altitude.
Woo!
And when she goes up, that's speaking in the baba.
Exactly. Again, that's another advantage of being very tall.
And she's enjoying the game, no? I think now sometimes napilitan lang sumali dahil kay ate, but no, she has a natural love for this game. It's 12-6 in favor of the team from National University. Shakey's is the place to go to. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Pinasalak is beaten by Jaja. No, it's not an overreach. Tina was hoping there was an overreach. Won't be so. It's 13-6. Very sleepy Army team, Ivy. And they hobble along to their huddle. Let's listen.
Ang ginagawa nyo kasi, Dinibigyan nyo ng dinibigyan doon sa setter natin. Ang layo ng setter na doon ang gagaling. Pabagalin nyo muna yung receive. Kung mabigat ang receive, kahit ikitnaan nyo lang muna, i-adjust muna natin. Ha? Hindi tayo makakaalam ng yan kung hindi yung kita natin sa receive. Wala tayong ka-receive, hindi ko tayo nakakakit. Tapos,
big concerns on the part of Rico de Guzman. And ito yung claim ni Tina na medyo overreach, matangkad lang talaga si Jaja at yung topic niya. Wala yun, takad na nga ni Tina.
Matangkad pa. Right. So, a little struggle here for the reception ng Army kaya sila nahihirapan eh. But, so Tina was saying na medyo malapit pa rin doon sa net.
Tsaka medyo over-receive yung kay Agno doon. So Tino just made do with what the situation provided. It is currently 7-13 as Tina Salak will be serving.
Service good. They go to Singh. Block. Oh, poor coverage. No communication there for NU.
General, the libero, out of position as well. It's Fatima General, who normally takes charge and says, bahala sa inyo. Salak. Tulak, hindi na ipalo. Sa kabila.
Almost a miscommunication there. Gonzaga down the line. Perez.
Nabasa ni Salak. Dakis.
Net violation error also called up against NU.
Ano pag si referee daanan dyan? Takas na mata niya dyan sa net at saka sa rotation.
Ito mga referee dapat lagi kumakain ng carrots. Tama ba? Carrots ba yun?
Ikaw yata ang mas healthy sa ating dalawa.
Ano ba yung for better eyesight?
I think so. Samantalang, nagising na ang Army. Last 3 points or last 4 points have been all theirs. I think it's time to listen to NU.
Tumatarget si Pina, tayo bumibigay. Huwag mo ng paraan, tabangan mo ha. Hindi na lang ganun kalakas ang service niya. Pag mataas kamay mo, taas mo lang sa gitna. Ha? Pag wala receive, stress na lang. Okay, pag wala stress ka. Huwag mo na magpagdagolo. Pag wala receive, baseball, stress na lang, taas mo sa gitna. Wala mo, yan.
This is the familiar pace of NU. They start very strongly, then, as you mentioned, lose some rhythm in the middle of the set, actually. Which is unfortunate, kasi nakabuelo na sila eh.
Tina Salak still at the service line.
She's nakatulog ng konti yung kamay niya. And suddenly NU gets a break. It's now 14-10 here in the first set.
Good timeout call there by Coach Dong.
Yes, indeed. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng Tiger. Lion, Tiger, Katol ang kabila. Proudly, Philippine made. 14-10. Set up job. Ooh, Perez unable to handle a hot volleyball. Dakis taking care of business there. Si Dakis minsan nakakalimutan ng tao ng mapusok yung spike niya. Nice block. Double block. Dakis and Valsec conniving. And Dakis has been part of the last 2 points of Army. Dakis na, nakadali.
Sabas now at the service line for Army.
Gigi Sabas has been playing well actually in the tournament.
That's right. And I think she's one of those surprises from the Philippine Army.
Yes, indeed. In the meantime, Jaja Santiago piercing the defense. There was a rook, but she didn't care less. Don't forget that Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's really. Jaja Santiago all set to serve. 15-12 is the tally here. Yeah, magandang percentage serve yan. Quick fire, misfires rather. No connection. It is 16-12. National University is first at that mark. Vermilla and Yakelin taking care of your coverage. It's 16-12 NU.
Gonzaga with a powerful hit.
Si Jovelyn, talagang you wonder where the power comes. Big wrists, really makes good contact with the ball.
And another advantage I think that Gonzaga has is the fact that she's left-handed.
Na mahirap talagang
Oh.
bantayan. 16-13, and that is dead. On the other side, 2 straight points now by the Lady Troopers. This is a tendency they have to arrest. And you starting strong and then hobbling along in the set. No confidence, ano?
Yes.
Pag na-adjustan na sila ng kalaban, see?
Good serve from Dakis.
16-15, 3 straight Army points. Yep. Coach Dong is talking to his team about position. Kulang sa tusok yung gitna. Nice attack, but it is playable ka ba?
Yes,
General.
it is. It is a free ball. And they go to Bautista. Oh, good cross-court hit.
Walang tao, walang block.
Excellent cut shot.
Cut shot, it's a lot of wrist action,
Yes.
May pitik ng kamay, hindi talaga spike, hindi off speed. May way of doing that.
We go to Singh, who's blocked. A good block from Bautista and Valse.
Just go in years of volleyball at all that height right in front of you. That's a lesson in volleyball. We're now with the Army leading and scoring the last 5 points. Sala keeps it airborne.
Bautista. Perez now gives to Mandapat.
Alanganin. Ooh, Gonzaga, yung sinabi mong kaliwa, no?
Yes,
Kita mo, yung naitago yung kamay.
That's right. So they must not forget that Gonzaga is a left-handed
nako.
attacker. So a lot of advantage for her being at the front of the line.
Kasi ang tendency, natural human tendency towards the right ka babantay.
Service ace from Dakis.
7 straight points. It was 16-12 earlier. May dengue. Panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, Tiger, Katol gamitin proudly. Philippine made. Sorry. Let's listen.
Ang bago ng bolo, dito ka tumatay. Huwag mo iwasan. Bawal yung bola para tumakay. Pag binigay naman sa atin, gawan niya ng paraan. Isa. Ay, opposite tayo. Isa mo na receive doon sa malayo may bigyan bola.
Sakit.
Dapat binigyan mo kaya yung direct. Wala siyang magagawa doon. Pag dito, bigyan mo doon. Tata mo sa dulo.
Oh boy, life is so ironic as we take a look at the serve by Rachel M. That is Jung right there. Alam mo, Ivy, 13-6 kanina, lamang NU, ha?
Yes, and look at the score now. Philippine Army up by 3.
Biglang, kumabit ang Army na sunod-sunod. They had a string of 4 straight points when it was 13-6 then they suddenly, just sprung back to life. And now the game becomes 17-19 as there's a service error by Dakis. Singh with the serve.
With the serve. Good reception there from Gonzaga. Bautista. Pablo. Block. Good block from Mandapat and Dadang.
Kulang sa lakas yung kay Nene, at saka kulang sa lihis. Or ikabig ng konti sa kanan, She went straight into the hands of the block, actually. It is now 18-19, and you're now playing catch-up with Singh serving anew. Naku, problema. Free ball.
But it's a free ball. Myla Pablo blocked, but that goes outside.
Biglang tabla tayo sa 19. Kung minsan yung free ball, Ivy, i-free ball mo na lang kaysa i-mess up mo, no?
Yes. Para siguradong porsyento lang.
Oo, kasi pagka inambisyon mong paluin na alanganin ka, maka-risky pa eh. In the air ito, Bautista got to this, free ball ito. Chance ngayon para sa inyo. Maalugang net. Dakis unable to handle it. Agno, big crowd. Dakis will be replaced by Torres in the Army lineup.
Of course, we all know Torres, the previous libero, will now be adding additional more defense here for Army.
Wala yun, parang dalawa libero.
Oh.
Ladang. Oh, that just was a disaster on that side of the floor. They couldn't reach it. We're now tied at 20. It's a slow-moving first set.
And actually, NU is doing a good job because they're able to keep up with the score of Philippine Army.
No, yung pace. Sila
Oo,
naman na unang lumamang kasi nagkaroon ng 7-0 run ang Army. Oh! And NU is back in the lead. They last faced in the lead when it was 16-15.
Good pick up from Torres. Balse was blocked. Bautista.
Regalo!
May buhay pa rin ang bola.
And the Philippine Army, keeping their guns together, now has tied up this first set 21 apiece. Tama ka. Yung malaban ng NU. Sabayan na. Okay, nagkaroon tayo ng problema kanina. Hindi tayo maka-score ngayon. Sabayan natin sila point for point. Let's march with their cadence.
Good serve.
Set up job. Nasa back row si Jaja. Si maka-atake.
That outside. Yep, it did touch the antenna. So point goes to NU.
Nakaikot na rin finally. Kaya hindi pala makascore ng mabuti ang NU. Here we go with Dadang. Desiree Dadang service in play. Overset. And it's 23-21 NU. Army wants to talk things over.
Kailangan mo na dito, wala eh. Kahit paluin mo na siya, bago, okay lang. Guys, bawal mo na magkamali ha. Habol tayo. Kailangan makawa na tayo. Si Nene, iba niya, ay siya ang pangalan. Bautista, pag umikot, kunin mo. Samahan mo kahit saan pumunta. Pag lumabas, labasan mo kaagad.
Ito, na tamaan ng daliri ni Perez. Alam mo, Coach Don De La Cruz talagang squeezing the juice out of his team, ano? Don't be afraid of this squad.
Sure. Actually, Army, there's always this intimidation factor involved, when you're going up against them.
Some of your idols are on that side. Veterans, you know what they are. They're up there in the team standings. But look at this. Jeannie Sabas keeping the flame alive. Dakis pulls out Torres. You just gotta know your role in the team. When starter ka ba, just be ready each time. Ganda ng lipad ni Myla Pablo. It's still playable, though! Free ball. Alanganin.
Santiago with a double jump in her attack. Alam mo yun talagang advantage kahit na nagkamali ka na ng pasok, kasi laki mo talaga. Vertical jump lang Solve ka na
Pwede ko pa adjust. Set point now for NU. Parang aeroplano, no? Sige, start na ang descent natin para dahan-dahan. Back row. Alanganin.
Oh, that's too close to the net. Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Could be a set.
Yes, they go to Santiago. Off speed.
Nice try by Army, but not enough. NU takes the first set, 25-22. And we'll take a look at our shake and play, which will slide us into this break, and we'll prepare all of you for our second set.
na errors. We all know, di ba, Sev, na ang usually nagiging sakit nitong NU, errors.
Yeah.
Yun yung usually na nagiging reasons kung ba't sila nagsastruggle in most of the games.
Referee Efren is waiting for us to finish talking here. I will make this fast. Nakatulog nga ng konti itong NU kasi naging 19-16 na. And they were in charge of the ball game 16-12, but Army suddenly collected points all at the same time. Now, it's not that easy. If you can do 2 sets in a row against Army, I'm sure the veterans will wake up here.
And there's a free ball. Opportunity now here. Oh yes, si Jaja Santiago.
Oh, meron pala siya ng ganun.
Oo.
Tapik lang, ano?
Naninigurado lang.
Hindi naman kailangan ibaon.
Yes. Although yun yung mga tipo parang asarap idiin no?
I think in normal height people gusto
Oh. But for her, it's just a normal day in the office na ganun yung mga, ganun ang height ng bola sa kanya.
Tatapikin ko lang, baka may masabi pa kayo na dinadaan ko sa laki. Pero I like the development of Jaja, yung variety of shots in which she's attacking. 1-1 ang score natin. Glad you're with us as we roll along with the Shakey's feeling. And, you know, if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
A good start for the Lady Bulldogs so far. And Jaja Santiago already has 8 points. During his first set, Ivy Perez with 6.
Nakita ko sa ilalim ng mata ko.
So, na-reflex na
Hindi,
yun.
tataas ko sana sa'yo para paluin.
Na-block ko kagad.
Nakita ni Barry Galing ng utility.
Oh, good block there from Sabas. Perez to Santiago, who drops it.
This game as quick as possible para naman din daw makareserve sila ng energy dahil they're not getting any younger. Pero after being stolen by one set during the first set na nitong NU, sabi ni coach kailangan daw kayurin itong second set at bigyan daw ng isang magandang laban. Wag na daw bigyan ng momentum itong NU. Balik sa inyo guys.
Don't give anything talaga. Kasi medyo, it's now become a pride thing. 9-7 NU ahead here in the second. But Bunag knocking it in, hitting that open spot in the end row. It is now 8-9 as Mary Jean Balser will serve. That's a nice name, no? Very girlish.
Very girly, yeah.
Very girlish.
Well, that is a service error from Mary Jean Balser.
Yes. It is now 10-8. One day I want to see some of these ladies coach. Babae ang mga coaches. And that will happen sooner than you think. Oh, nicely done. Nakakadalawang strike na ito si Bunag.
Good running a hit there from Joan Bunag.
Bunag is a good player to come off the bench. In other words, when the first 6 doesn't get their rhythm going, she's a nice spark plug that can liven up a team. She has scored 2 points coming off the bench. Sing. Agno, the FEU libero is there. Dakis forces Marla Pablo into a somersault. When Rachel Dakis gets her game going, galing ni Rachel kasi umiwas eh.
Well, she reaches high for the ball also, so that's one.
Tapik-tapik lang.
And again, another luxury that Jaja Santiago has. You know, being able to tower over everybody else.
Parang sinabi ni Ivy Perez, paabot niya sa taas.
Feeling ko nga kahit yung referee first referee natin na mag-block sa kanya, kaya pa rin yan.
Perez. Neatly done on the cross court.
So it is the running hits that has been scoring for the Philippine Army.
Oh yes indeed, now that you mention it. Remind ko kayo na sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger, katolang gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Iba naman yun. Pagka ganun, when this lady, as tall as she is at 6'5", 6'6", pag nakuha niya rin, ang hirap lakin,
That's right. Because she, apart from the fact that she has the height, she has a very fast action when it comes to attacking him. Mabilis yung reflex niya.
In the meantime, Ivy Perez in an ungainly position couldn't lift the ball up. We're squared up at 12.
Jeannie Sabas now at the service line for the Philippine Army. Good pick up from General. Dadang. That I think was too low.
Oo, sa kinain ni Mary Jane Balse yung set na yan. Alam mo, sabi ni Jane, tayo naman nandito na dati. She's known for her offense but just been given enough credit for her defense. Mandapat on! Oh!
Good excellent hit from Mandapat. Pero yun ang talagang exclamation mark.
Yes, indeed. This is getting interesting. 13 apiece. Points are coming slowly. Oo, sa gitna din noon, Eskinita move. Coach Ty Bundet to the left of your picture. And he's waiting for the game. His team will play against Cagayan.
Jarrell Singh.
Ooh, just above the net.
Combination play. Pablo. Solid block from Gonzaga.
Nabasa si Marla. Ang isa pang kailangan matutunan ni Marla yung his, yung she sometimes ends up slapping it into the block where she needs some hand work. General gives a gift. Uy, hindi na ipalo ni Baltet. Alanganin.
Gonzaga.
Sa kabila tayo.
Naman dapat. Salak now goes to Gonzaga once again. Remember, that is a lefty.
Nagkahiwalay-hiwalay ang katawan ni Gonzaga pero sige, okay. She's been nursing that shoulder area for a while. 15-13, nabante ng dalawa. Last 2 points have been scored by the Army. We're tied at 13. Ball in play.
Free ball now given by NU.
Huli!
Good block from Pablo and Dada.
Alam mo, underrated itong blocking ng NU. Kasi ang blocking, mabaho no? Sipag yun.
Yes.
Sipag yan
That's right. You know, this is again what's going to be interesting between these two teams because they are at the moment the top two blocking teams. Right? So like I mentioned, the Philippine Army actually is the number 1 and NU is number 2.
Javelin Gonzaga pushes her team to...
Wala at mga winners natin, yun ang talagang hinahanap.
Yung mga kaway na gano'n, beauty pageant wave. In the meantime, hey, NU is getting some points in and Army better wake up. They could be 2 sets down, although still leading at this juncture. Wala nothing to lose itong NU,
That's right. And they have actually everything to gain from this tournament.
Aray! That's going to be painful for a while. She'll try to conceal it, but that hurt. We're tied at 16. 2 points in a row from NU, down 16-14.
Good serve. Another miscommunication there from Philippine Army. This is quite unusual for the Lady Troopers.
So uncharacteristic, Naiinis sila sa sarili nila actually, So may body language nila. Why is this happening to us? Last 3 points have been all NU. Regalo. Tinaas ni Balse. Agno and Bunag get tied up.
And they would go to Santiago. Actually, that double jump of Jaja is catching the blockers off guard, off timing.
Kasi akala mo, sasama ka na doon sa first no?
Yeah, all of a sudden she stopped.
Oh, she can stop almost in mid-air. Tapos tutusukan ka. Ala. Time out for coming here. Unless I speak too soon. 1916. I'll change the lineup and a timeout.
Napakasimple lang naman ng nilaro ng kabila Kaya napapahirap sa sarili nyo Yung mga dapat hindi talonan, talong kayo ng talon. Nakikita nyo ba si Jajang pumapasok? Hindi. Tumatalo na agad kayo. Wala pa yung bola yung tinatalonan niyo eh. Yung tao, wala pa.
Okay, and the Army. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight points. No answer from the Philippine Army. And you're beginning to pull away here. Good sized crowd. Who would have imagined for volleyball? Huh?
That's right. You would think it's a championship today.
But it's a triple treat day, you know.
Exactly.
You've had the first game, which you've already witnessed here on GMA News TV. As this is in play, Jaja gives a free ball.
Oh, very smart move from Sala.
Sneaky. But to her, baliwala, no?
Oh,
Hindi.
parang wala lang. It's a normal thing that she does.
Sabi sa'yo, ang sneakiest si Ruby De Leon eh. Kasi si Ruby, ikutan ka, lalayuan ka. Nakakainis.
Kahit ikaw na hindi naglalaro, naiinis ka.
Ay, naku, ganda ng tapo ni Pablo. Sabas. Perez, her version. Double block, but out. Can't ask anything more from that effort, huh? At least the Coach De La Cruz will say, okay, we blocked.
That's right. It's better than nothing.
Than nothing at all. Hindi lang maililihis. Singh. Jaja in flight. Pablo. Good defense by Army. Good defense by NU. Jaja. Atake. Huli. Down.
Excellent block from Perez.
And suddenly NU at 20 vis-a-vis 18. Don't forget, for Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Glad you're with us this afternoon. Ito po ang Shakey's B-League. Open conference. Jaja! Regalo! Yun ang mahirap, ano? Pag nabigyan ng regalo yung kabila, at nandun si Jaja sa gitna, may problema ka.
Actually, if you look at that, yung bola medyo nakalagpas na kay Jaja eh.
Oo.
But na sobrang laki niya, na sobrang tangkad niya, nagawa pa niya ng paraan.
Siguro may sumigaw, regalo! Regalo is like a free ball atop the net. Nice block, but in play.
They go to Singh.
Tina with a very, very sly smile, and she couldn't do much about it. Look at this. NU threatening to take a 2-set-to-love lead. Pablo.
Oh, that's outside.
Lakasan. Army still in the going here. Still not out of it as Bautista will serve. Don't be sneaky on us. We've got you. Army recitals. Dakis block. Dakis keeps it in play. Tina goes back to Dakis. And that just dies in the water on the Army side. Hindi na makataas ulit.
And you leading by 4 points.
Bago mo binitawan, pwede mo namang ipapag sa labas yun. Ano binigay nyo lang din? Hindi tayo guys, hindi tayo nag-iisip eh. Gusto nila maglaro eh. Huwag kayo...
Tres 19 po. Ito po ang Shakey's B-League. Si Seb Sarmento po si Ivy Remulla at saka si Mia Kalinong magkakasama rito. Sinasamahan kayong lahat sa hapong ito dito sa GMA News TV. Bakbakan ho ng Army at saka NU. Lamang ang NU. Nakuha nila ang first set 25-22. NU point. And we are now at set point. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, Tiger, Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made.
It is now Ivy Perez at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs.
To take the set. Serving for the set, actually.
Good serve.
In the air it goes. Lusot!
And dapat off the block.
And the Army might be paying dearly for this one. They have now lost the first two sets. The first set going 25-22. The second set 25-19. Our Shakey's Shake and Play will send you into the break. We await the third.
You know, you have Mandapat there, and everybody with the floor defense.
Just
It's
a little
really
of
important.
everything.
Exactly.
That's a superlative observation. Now let's see if the Army will get some contributions from everybody as Jovelyn Gonzaga gets us going here in the third with the first point. It's more a qualitative or a mental thing that the Army has to do here to wake up more than anything else. It's not really tactical, no?
Yes, that's right.
Kasi volleyball hindi problema. It's actually the desire more than anything else. But let's see what happens. They're off to a good start here. 2-0. Jeannie Sabas. Free ball. Agno. Aabot ba? Umabot.
Good block from
Ah!
Dakis.
Ayaw ibigay. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. 3-0 is the count. Rachel Andakis refusing to yield a point. Jaja! Jaja!
Jaja Santiago.
Dati araw, ganun na lang eh. Jaja!
She now has 16 points in this game. 16 from attacks. And it's followed by Ivy Perez with 7 and Mandapat with 6. Meanwhile, for the Lady Troopers, Gonzaga leads the pack with 9 points, followed by Dakis with 8 and Sabas with 5.
In the meantime, Ivy Perez, malakas sa kanyang serve. Ang score natin 4-1. Abante pa rin ang Army. Sila po yung naka-green. Kakanan ng inyong mga TV set, brother. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan natin ang dengue. Gamitin ang Lion, Tiger, Katol. Proudly, gawang Pilipino.
Good call.
Yes.
That was a good call from General.
Si General, ano yan? Pushy din yan eh. Gusto pa yan sa timeout magsasabi yan si Papi General. Sige na, ako nang bahala. Sige na. Parang ate.
But which is a good attitude, you know.
Regalo. Dadang doesn't want to waste the opportunity. Sets it nicely, but nearly backfires. Perez sets it up. The point will go the other way, either through the score or a front row player just jumping out in front. But it will be NU's point, no question about it. It is 3-4.
Jaja at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs. Good serve.
Regalo, ayaw ni Dadang. Off speed na alanganin. Dakis, familiar turf. Tinaas ni Singh.
Once again to Mandapat. Off the block. Inabot ni Nenen. It is a free ball.
Sa kabila, kay Singh. Huli! Inside! I'm beginning to wonder why Dadang doesn't want to hit those gifts that are in front of her. She might be having some problems jumping up at them. Axel is the official arbiter of the Shakey's League. Tinaas ni Milo Pablo. General has to track it down. Picked up by Agno. Gonzaga, tinapik, huli siya, out.
Well, that's inside of goal. The point goes to NU.
Oo nga. So it is 4-5. Singh will be serving. Jorel Singh.
Good serve.
Lakas pumalo ng serve. Bautista.
Well, that is inside.
Iniwasan ng lahat. Sumalak pa pababa. 6-4 ang bilang natin. Napalaban yung Army. Mintis.
It is a free ball.
Hindi mabaon ni Dagang. Perez, lipat sa kabila. Pinusok. Tinakas ni Rachel. Bautista.
And also a violation will be called up against NU.
Back row, ano? Merong umatake. 7-4. Ang rule lang dyan back row players cannot go beyond the
Attack line.
attack
Yes.
line. Pwede ka mag-spike from back row pero hindi ka lalanding. Or cannot
You cannot take off.
from the
Yeah.
beyond the attack line.
Yeah, you
This one
can
is
land over the attack line, but not you can't take off there.
Mandapat with a point makes it 5-7.
NU just down by 2. Mandapat at the service line. Service good. Salak will give it to Balse.
Medyo matagal nang hindi nakaka-score si Jean Balse doon from that sector. Make it 8-5 technical.
Tipis ng kanilang mga plays because nag-rare na magkaroon ng comeback itong Army. Sabi niya, kailangan daw pag nagkaroon sila ng nag-commit sila ng error, huminga lang daw sila at wag daw nilang hayaan na yung emotions ma-cloud yung kanilang logic. Balik sa inyo.
I think that's a good piece of coaching from Coach De La Cruz. In the meantime, Jaja just tipped it over at nagkagulo si Sabas at saka si Bautista sa panig ng Army.
Again, that sometimes, that element wherein they're so used to seeing her hit it hard.
Tina with a rare setting error. She ends up with a double touch. It ended up with one hand, went to the other. So minsan pag you've been doing it all your life, suddenly there's that error.
It means sometimes, din yun pag masyadong pawis yung
That's true.
kakampi mo.
That's why she wiped
Yeah.
her hands on her uniform.
Oh, good save from Agno.
She asked all over the court. That's inside. Tina is doing the right thing, going to other sources of points. Let's go to Bautista. You were right in the pregame when you earmarked Bautista. She's so unheralded, underrated. But before you know it, she's piled together 12, 13 points that have held the Army. Let's go with this serve. Jaja, long.
Oh, that's outside.
(10-7) tally. Don't forget that Mikasa is our official ball here in the Shakey's V-League.
Buhay pa rin ang bola. Good save there from Army. Ayun na naman, yung double jump na yun ni Jaja.
Parang parang tennis serve. I-stop. Tapos tuloy ko na.
So you're not sure if it was really a wrong timing for her or talagang sinasadya niya rin niya because it's able to make her fake. Myla Pablo now at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs. Martina Salak, Mandapat able to get that. Oh, drop shot from Jaja.
Nicely read.
Very, very smart move from Santiago.
He's getting better and better.
Actually, and she's having that court smarts also. Remember, it's not always sa kailangan malakas ang palo mo. You should be able to read your opponent.
And I'm sure one person is very happy for her improvement has been Sister Dindin.
Oh, yes.
I'm sure she's happy. There should be delightful dinners at the Santiago household in the days to come. The meantime, that is inside.
Sabas so far has been, her percentage is very high. Every time na nabibigyan siya ng bola, nako-convert niya into points.
And Army slightly up 11-9 here in third set. If you just joined us, the first two sets went the way of National University. Sabas keeping it in play. Jaja recycles the offense.
Bautista keeps it alive.
Chance for Jaja. Jaja!
Jaja once again off the block.
Yun continuous yung motion niya.
Yeah.
No?
Sometimes you would think it's better kung nag-double jump na lang siya. Because yung blocker sumasabay sa kanya sa unang niyang talon.
10-11, dikit na naman. Huwag kakalimutan sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, katulong ng proudly. Philippine made. Suddenly, 2-1 lead for the Army of that error. Pero napapagod din kasi si Ivy Perez. Alam mo yung mga setter, pag nag-serve zero, pagod din yan eh.
Oh, well, they are the ones who's running around the most inside the court.
Oh, now that you mention it, so true.
Overreaching violation called up against Perez.
Si referee ka, matalas. Binibiro ko. Meron kang favorite court. Pag nasa taas ka, yung double. Pag sa baba, yung rotation. Siyempre, yung call niya yung sa baba. Ooh, bad serve from
Bad
Sabas.
serve.
13-11 po ang bilang natin.
NU just down by 2. Santiago already at the back row.
Alam mo mga kaya parang ang bagal nila. Yung point ang tagal, pinaglalabanan.
Santiago serves safely over. Daki's block.
Ginawang set.
Balse is reaching for the highest point of the ball.
Alam ni Rachel Dakis kung saan ibigay, ano? Pagka si Balse. Tagal din silang opponents. 14-11. This is what Rachel does when she's waiting for the whistle and she lets it go. They're in the lead by 3. In play, Gatang. Perez makes it a set. Vinalis out.
Oh, that's outside and there is no touch.
Hindi na nagbibiro yung Army. Ha? Eh yung NU naman, falling into errors ba? Hindi nantay yung technical timeout. Makinig tayo.
Hindi ka natatakbo. Silang na mataas. Okay? Sila mataas yung gumagin na dalawa, lalaki pa naman ang bracket. Para eksakto, yung sila mabagal na. Ha? Eksakto lang yung height. Para eksakto, yung approach kasi nila sa bola na binibigay mo pinagtatakbo, nagkakakinig nila. Okay? Kaya ako nag-time out para mapigil. Okay?
In just a moment, we're going to have another timeout because it's 15-11. Let's see what happens in the next sequence as Rachel Andakis prepares to serve.
But Coach Dong doesn't want to take any chances.
And he'll use the technical timeout as extra opportunity to talk to his team. Tatang. And look at this, it's 16-11 as the Army now beginning to mean more business more than anything else. The Army at the top of the standings, correct?
Yes, they're now at the top of the standings.
The LDT Hometown Pride got a beating from Air Force as Bautista spots the opening.
Excellent reflex from Nene Bautista.
Matanong kita, Ivy, when do you know that there's an opening there? Bago mo atakihin o in the corner of your eye? Depende,
Depends on the situation but normally, in most cases, bago mo, kasi before you attack, nakatingin ka sa kabila But it depends on the situation. Oh, Singh makes it into the line.
Tried to go cross-court and manages to score a point after a long silence by National U. Singh is all set to serve. Her team down by 5 here in the third. They took the first 2 sets. Over set. Naging set. Balse scores.
Good setting job from Tina Salak.
Pag-setter ka talaga, endlessly talking, endlessly motivating. Tulak ka ng tulak, nangihila ka ng jersey. Gonzaga. Dinaas. Bautista whips it down. Perez says, let's do it nicely.
Mandapat once again.
Sa kabila. Linis na pagkagawa ni Myla Pablo. It's now 13-18.
Although for Pablo, she's having a little difficulty pag masyadong mataas yung set sa kanya.
Yeah.
And I think that was what Coach Dong was instructing earlier, na wag masyadong mataas, wag masyadong taasan.
She loses some of her lift and her flight. Overset. They will recycle when they get the ball back. If they do, Agno. Bautista through the block. In play. Santiago one-handed standing spike. Bautista left-handed stab.
Pablo once again.
Yun, gaya nun.
Yeah. She loses her footing or her momentum if it's too high.
Parang it's a cross yung set niya. Kailangan cross between yung sibat na tusok and it just has to be the right height for her. That takes some time to develop with your setter. Ang ba gusto nito? Lalo na pag may blocking na. Sa warm-up kasi sa practice, pag walang blocking, madali yan eh. Ooh. And it's 14-19.
NU down by 5.
Nadang taking her sweet time. Dakis has it. Bautista is blocked. Bang!
Block from NU.
Ano nangyayari kaya tumatagal din? That team was 2-3 points. 10 points. Then, di ba, yung rally itong NU eh.
And we've also had, medyo long exchanges.
Oo.
Which makes it more... Oh, good regalo para kay Myla Pablo.
You just have to take care of those PDs. Mga advantage to sukin. I'm concerned of where Desiree Dadang not attacking those opportunities, really. Baka meron lang iniinda. Overset, Cortina pushes it over.
Oh, that is outside. String of errors here for Philippine Army.
Door suddenly wide open for NU. Let's sneak in.
Mabigat ang service. Umarap tayo sa bola, itap natin ang tagit. Huwag natin pilit sa setter. Kasi pag pinipilit natin itigit sa setter, iba nangyayari. Pumupunta sa kabila, okay lang kung tumataas lang sa hindi. Harapan nyo lang muna yung bola, itap nyo lang doon sa gitna. Sa attack line.
This is interesting. Army was ahead 19-13. Then suddenly 4 straight points strung together by National View. They're within 2. And they have the 2-step to love lead. Huh? Ooh, long.
Oh, that service outside.
May epekto talaga yung timeout sa server, ano? Mawala yung buwelo. 2017, nahinto yung rally tuloy. Coach Rico de Guzman reminding everybody of where you are in the choreography. Perez. Tina. Rachel. Ito, warrior din ito si Rachel. When she wants to score, she'll score. Sa panahon na pagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, Tiger katulad gamitin probably Philippine made. Here we go with Nene Bautista.
Service good. Oh, that goes outside. Another 3-point here for NU.
Hindi lang sumalok at the right moment. Ano, ha? Valdez coming in for Pablo. This is Gail Rose Valdez, usually coming at this juncture. Torres is in also for Bautista on the other side.
Torres coming in to help with the floor defense here for the Lady Troopers. And would be the same also purpose for Valdez.
Nag-chess yung dalawang coaches, ano ha? Salak. Dakis. Through 2 blockers. (22-18).
Tina Salak at the service line.
Safe, sure serve, no, huh? Jaja rejected. Rachel overset. Nakuha ni Singh.
We set to Jaja. Agno was there.
Gonzaga. Perez skids to the floor.
To Singh, who's blocked. Good coverage from Santiago.
Hirap ng lumuhod ng gano'n. Dakis. Singh rejected. Singh is fuming. 23-18.
Well, it is difficult, you know, because she has very tall blockers in front of her.
And we will go into this NU timeout.
Pag ganun siya, umatras ka. Para may option siya, dalawang bibigyan niya, isang tres, isang kote. Okay lang yun. Huwag ka maano. Talaga, may blocker eh. Ha? Kung walang blocker, hindi ka mabablock. Okay lang yun. Basta importante, maganda intention mo, paluin mo, gusto mong patayin yung bola. 5 lang yan, kaya ka natin. Okay? Doble mo. Kaya mo na lang, ha?
Back with us here is that defensive job. Single coverage pala, no? Minsan pagka bumabalas, minsan alam mo, dalawa, tapos pag you see it in the replay, it's single coverage by Gonzaga. It is 23-18 as Salak will serve for all of us. Wrong referee Da talking with Coach Dong. He's clarifying something. Yun ang masarap naman sa game na ito. You can ask it.
Yes. Hindi bawal magtanong, hindi bawal mag-inquire.
Ilang time out po kami. Ooh, Salak. Ice the bit there. It is 19-23. Now, this is where NU will have to play Super A volleyball.
Flawless volleyball.
At this point.
And they cannot give away any free points.
At this point, at this juncture, if they want to win this game. Torres got to it.
Good pick up there from General.
Great ball, man. Dakis. And it becomes set point for the Army. Jeannie Sabas. Ooh,
That's outside.
24-20, slide door opening for the NU Lady Bulldogs, but not fully open.
But we've seen this happen, you know, come from behind, down by 4. So again, it is just flawless volleyball here for the Lady Bulldogs.
Valdez got to it. Mandapat. Oh, yes. 24-21. Still set point for Army.
Santiago still at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs. Will serve safely over.
3 ball. Allah, napalitan na rin tapigan. Tadang.
Combination play, off the block. They would go to Mandapat. Oh, Mandapat sends it out.
May halong gigil, ano? It was such a great opportunity to try and score and keep a chance at the third set, but it won't be so. 25-21, we'll need one more set. NU still holds the lead 2-1 in the set count. Shaky can play. Back in a moment. Sounds like a law office, and they will be the partners for quite some time. In the meantime, Gonzaga nails one, and it is 2-0. Shakey's, if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tinitingnan ko lang kung yung graphics person gising. Gising.
Salak with a service ace.
Ayaw may na maaga ng mga atin.
Siguro they wanted to,
Andito na tayo.
maximize the Sunday. Nag-enjoy sila eh.
When will you ever have that again? 3 great volleyball games. In the meantime, Singh. Talo sa jump si Singh.
Last touch, of course, from Sting.
4-0. Dina Salak has been there forever.
Short serve.
Hop, step, and tap. They got burned by Genie Sabas.
The advantage of being a tall spiker.
Pero walang katulong si Jaja nung last play. Watch this. Pag, kailangan eh. 5-0.
Saka pag pinagay sa'yo ng tres, huwag mo basta iwagan mo lang. Paluin mo. Paluin natin ang bola. Lalo na agad. Okay. Yan tayo na eh. Wala pa tayong ginagawa. Puro meron pa lang. Trabaho tayo. Trabaho wala. Okay. O, sa mga next step mo na.
$5-0 po ang score natin dito sa ika-apat na set. First two sets going the way of the Lady Bulldogs. The Army Lady Troopers took up the third, 25-21. Tina Salacas still serving. Jaja fires and nababasa na siya.
Oh, this is too close to the net. Regalo para kay Gonzaga.
Alam mo itong Army, huwag kong bibigyan ng bala. Alam mo, ang dami ng bala ng Army eh.
Kailangan sila naman na namimigay.
Sing, Gonzaga. Dakis, tusok, 7-0. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Bumalasa, Sullivan, a new face on the part of NU, seeing action for the first time. This is Jocelyn Sullivan.
So taking the place for the setting duties for the Lady Bulldogs.
Tina, pwedeng naglaro ng tennis ito. Sing. Dink over by Genie Sabas. Huli pa rin. Tinaas ni Sullivan. Inside.
General scores a point there for the Lady Bulldogs.
And that's the most that they can do. They cannot spike. They cannot serve. Axel is our official outfitter here in the Cities 3D. They can give free balls. They can play defense. Jaja. Gonzaga.
Oh, good set from Sullivan.
Lumutang eh, no? Maganda sa set ng Sullivan, ha? 7-2. Pag ito nag-5 sets, ako na ang merong ano.
Ikaw na daw.
Ako na.
Hindi na si Noel.
Sige na nga. Dakis punctures the defense, sends it to the open hole. 8-2 technical ceasefire will be.
At ang plano nga nila dapat daw first set pa lang malish na nila itong si Jaja. Kaso sabi nila, bakit ba umabot pa tayo ng fourth set at hindi nyo pa nagagawa ng paraan? Kaya naman dun ng huddle, sabi ni Coach Rico de Guzman, kaya nyo pa ba? Guys, back to you.
Let's see if they make that adjustment. I love it when Jovelyn Gonzaga eats up those regalos.
Yes. She does it so well.
Tusok na tusok.
Oo.
9-2. Sabas. That's a touch. Check ball yan. 9-3. Alam mo sa akin ang check ball kailangan malinaw eh. Although the refs look at the
trajectory of
the ricocheting of the ball. Daming telltale signs. 3-9. Mintis. Tinaas. Bounce it, wants it again, but they go the other direction. Gonzaga fires. Muffled. Pablo. Through the blocks. Milo Pablo trying to rev up the bite of the Lady Bulldogs. That's through two blockers. Gonzaga dropped to the deck.
Jarrell Singh still at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs. Good serve. Balse. Cross court.
Rachel Dakis pwede setter.
Matangkad rin na setter yan.
Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's League. 10-4 ang bilang natin. And Gak is all set to serve. Kinoshotape na niya sa shoulder niya. Medyo iniindag niya yan for the last couple of weeks. General unable to handle it.
Service ace for Dakis.
If you just joined us, the first set going the way, first two sets going the way of NU. Army coming back in the third, 25-21, and ahead here, 11-4.
Good set from Sullivan.
Nagkagulo ng bahagya sa kabila. Tusok.
Gonzaga has been targeting that area. And for the Lady Bulldogs, they should know that that is the more comfortable area para kay Gonzaga.
Medyo hindi nila mabasa yung sitwasyon. Hindi nila ma-adjust yung depensa nila. 12-4. Habol. Salak. Bautista, tumutusok na rin. Pablo, long. Palo pa lang, alam mong mahaba. 13-4. Nakakatawa ang volleyball, walk casually into 4 sets, tapos magmamadali sa pitch.
Yes.
13-4. Gumulong sa ball, sa net. Pati tayo nagulat, pati kayo nagulat. Sabi ng inyo, kainis. Wala ka na magagawa ron. Magkakaroon ng pagbabago sa lineup ng inyo na hindi napayagan kasi napito na eh.
Yes.
Napito na eh.
Well, Sullivan trying to do the best that she could.
Yes, she's trying. Si Balse. Sa kabila! Sing! Yes, it's a check ball.
Mandapat able to score 1 for the Lady Bulldogs.
Biglang 14-5, Valdez did her share. Or Sullivan, rather, did her share. Ganun ang coaching na. Just give them brief moments, a chance to be here.
Yes.
Balse is caught in the act. Perez back in harness. Reverse.
Good block from Dadang.
Si Dadang is more of a defensive player.
Yes, she is. More of a defense and offense. And actually, masipag yan sa harap eh. You can really see her going from one end to the other, humahabol sa block.
I suspect, yung regalo, nagugulat siya na libre siya. Ba't ako? Bakit yung pinapapalo sa akin to? Gonzaga. Jaja, keeping it in play. Nasigaw pa siya. Napili eh. Salak, ganda ng play. Well done!
No floor defense left here for the Lady Bulldogs.
I love it pag na itatago. Woo! Woo! Jug! Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, Tiger, Katola gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Back row strike. Nababasa na. Bautista. Dadang.
Good save. It is a free ball. Bautista again.
Bautista. And just as before, so perfectly tuned up for this game. Now, kanina hindi eh. Salak tried to be sneaky. So does Perez.
But it worked for Perez.
Hi, Tina. Ate.
Ganito po ba yun, ate?
Nangangopya lang po. 16-7. Natawa ko tuloy siya. Ganito ba ate? For Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Here goes Desiree Dadang.
Well, one of the differences, I guess, why we had a sudden shift, this is in favor of Army. Army had a slow start. How they played during the first 2 sets is not the usual game that they play. And NU played very well, but now that Army is able to get their groove back, yung NU naman ngayon ang nararatel.
May pagod na rin yung mas bata, Kasi plus the psychological backlash of not being able to close out this game when they were leading by 2 sets. In the meantime, let's go with Balsa's serve. Out. Our count is 17-8. Don't forget that Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's League. Tina
Oh, good
Salak.
save from Tina
Oh,
Salak.
yes, indeed. Just made do with what she had. There's that hop, step, and spike. Natawa si Jeannie Sabog sa ginawa nila ni Salak. Nice block. Pablo misses it completely.
Because she realized all of a sudden that she's a backliner and she can't jump at the front of the net.
Yun ba yung realization?
Oo eh. She's a backliner and nandun na siya, papaluin na niya, and all of a sudden na-realize na, oh my God, backliner ako.
Jaja! Jaja! Sing! Si Myla kung saan kasi bumupunti.
Dakis, oh good save from General. Jaja again, another tip.
Hanggang bukas to.
Oh, good block, but that goes outside.
19-8. And you wants to talk things over.
Backliner ka, gusto pumalo sa harap. Bakit ng bola? Gusto kukunin ng bola. Ano ba yan? Tapos na yun. Tapos na. Ja, hindi pwedeng inuhulog-hulog mo. Paluin mo. Bitiranin natin mo na yan. Hindi pwedeng inuhulog-hulog mo. Dapat paluin mo. Dapat malakas. Oh, yan ba?
Our count here in the fourth set is 19-8. In case you just joined us this afternoon here on the GMA TV News Network, this is the home stretch towards the end of the quarterfinal round. Placement. Jaja, yes! Not precise.
Oh, that's already a violation called up, lifting violation called up against Sabas for the second touch.
Tinaas niya eh, no? Na medyo lift ang ginawa eh. So 19-9 is the tally here. Perez will be serving for NU.
What's interesting to note here that in this set, Army already has 12 points from attack, but NU only has 4. So you can see the disparity.
Nice tap by Remulla.
Thank you.
Let's see that again in replay.
Yung block ko.
Oh, yung block.
Yung block ko, pakiulit sa replay.
Pakita direct. Magpapadala ng bola dito, papalaan niya pa si Coach Mac.
Oo. Isa-set ni Coach Mac yan para sa akin.
Ako, coverage naman. Sa ilalim na coverage. Anyway, 20-9. Torres ba yan?
No, this is
Bagong case, ano?
yes. That is Gonzalez. Sarah Jane Gonzalez.
I wonder, ice cold coming into the game.
Giving Tina Salak a little breather.
Alanganin. It is outside. It will go to NU. 20-11. Coach Dong suddenly has to yell at his players with the proper position.
Oh, kasi if the referee called on it, that would be a free point for Army.
Something you don't want to do at this point. Sing.
Oh, that block went outside.
Make it now 21-11. Una is back in. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng Tengen Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly, Gawang Pilipino. 21-11. Dadang. Here comes Mandapat. Count that as score for Mandapat. It's now 21-12.
Good cross-court hit from Mandapat.
Ni Coach Dog dito, baka hindi tayo mabot. Just play well. Keep nyo lang. Because in the future, we'll encounter situations where we have to play catch-up. Let's bring it as close as possible. Dakis. Dadang, one-handed stab. Gonzalez with the set. Ooh! Gonzaga. Kala nyo, kanan pa palo eh, no?
Back is at the service line for the Philippine Army. They're now just 3 points away from closing set number 4.
And forcing a fifth and deciding set. Long. May gigil. Ang dapat. And Perez is apologetic to the bench, saying it was an awful set, but depends on whose perspective you take it. 23-12. Medyo nilagyan ng batter ng kote yun. Lampas. And it is 23-13. Dakis is wincing in pain in that right upper arm area. Her spiking arm, that is.
That's the younger Pablo. Bautista. Oh, good ball is still in play.
Double touch. Yeah, double touch. And it is set point. That's one of the hardest calls to do in volleyball. Is it on the floor or not?
Yes.
It's very subjective. But that, I guess with experience, the refs just know what to do. 24-13. Perez goes back row.
Oh, that makes it to the line. Santiago. So this is set point for Philippine Army, and the Lady Bulldogs 10 points away. Good serve.
Gonzalez is caught with her hand in the cookie jar. Dadang. Mintis.
Off timing once again.
Dakis keeps it airborne. Bautista punches it over.
Here we go to Pablo. Off the block.
Pablo stretching. Yes. You know, if you're in a volleyball party, might as well stay on. Maximize the whole thing.
That's right.
Shake is shaking play. Will be shaking along in the fifth set. Both team captains being summoned. Will need a fifth and deciding.
Yes.
In the third set.
So the Lady Bulldogs basically unable to get back the momentum.
Oo, hindi. Lalo na yung sabi mo in the fourth set, 25-14. That is really a loss of momentum. Let's get going and continue with the party here. The fifth set. Wala na. Ako nakari talaga ng 55 sets. Oh! And even the breaks going the way of Army. 1-0 as Dakis gets that and all over the net. Let's start off by saying that for Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tiptoe attempt. Singh whips it on the wire, and it is 2-0 Army. Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's League. Boy, this is going to be a heartbreaker for MU. They can't hold on to this. Salak wastes it and gives NU its first point. 2-1. Alam mo itong fifth set? Just flies, 15 lang ito. Sunod-sunod na natin sabihin. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's League. Nice double block. Kept in play though. Sock to the other direction. Dakis. Oh, it's off the head of Gonzaga.
So the point goes to Army.
Yeah. Let's see it again, huh? Tinalo block. Ano tumama sa ulo ni?
It did hit her head.
Yeah.
So sometimes yung sinasabi ko rin, no, disadvantage pag ang lakas mo pumalo. Pabalik sa'yo, mararamdaman mo may sakit.
Okay. Nagre-ricochet pabalik sa'yo. Hindi nakita ni Gaza. Palo-abol. In the meantime, it is 3-2. Dakis is hurting just a bit. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, katulad gamitin proudly, Philippine made. Santiago all set to serve. Down 2-3.
Good serve.
Off speed by Gonzaga.
We would go to Mandapat. Gonzaga on the second touch.
Might as well, no? It is now 4-2 in favor of Army. Bacchus will be serving. Bacchus trying to take her own sweet time in serving. Too low, picked up. Alangan and Mandapat. Mandapat races to the other side to block. And it is scored on the baseline. 5-2. The end line was the open territory. Suddenly, Army springing to life here. Parang may second, third win itong Army.
And you would think because they're the more senior team, sila yung mas hindi tatagal sa mga 5-setter.
I've seen them struggle against Ateneo in 5 sets, only to carve out a 5-set win against the Lady Eagles. In the meantime, it's 5-3. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Let's go with Singh in her serve. Salak. Singh got it airborne. Here comes the gate of Pablo. By 4. Myla Pablo taking care of matters there. Singh will be serving.
Good serve.
Naging set.
Bautista. Another cross-court hit from Nene Bautista.
Alam mo sa volleyball player, inis na inis ka sa ganun, ano? You're in the right position, but your hands are in the wrong form.
Yes. Yung nandun na, hindi mo pa nakuha.
6-4. General, inabot. Ang dapat is rejected. Pablo fires.
Myla Pablo scores another for the Lady Bulldogs.
Sabi ni Myla sa bola, papalik-balik ka. Diyan ka na. Stay down. 5-6 ang ating bilang. Baka dito sa ganito, baka lead ng dalawa. Baka enough na eh. Tingnan natin, ha. Salak sets it up. Bautista piercing the defense.
Nerissa Bautista creating that impact for the last hit.
Pag malaya yung paru-paro talaga no?
Tingnan, walang nagawa itong Lady Bulldogs, tingnan na lang yung pagbagsak ng bola.
Ang bilis pa, no? Ang bilis pa ng nagawa. 7-5. At 8, we will change sides. Yes, we will. I once asked somebody, and I forget who, why do we still have to change sides? And the reason given is, para walang unfair advantage on each side.
That's right. Because this is the last set.
It's logical. And 8-5 is the tally we will catapult from. Sabi ng mga team managers naman, buhay na to, bubuhat pa tayo ng tubig at lahat sa kabila. That's how close the game has been. First 2 sets going the way of NU. Last 2 have been all Army, especially that court. That's at 25-14. 8-5 is the lead of Army right now as Mary Jean Balse is all set to serve for all of you. General. Gaga, back off.
A violation, yes.
Lumabas sa attack net, sa attack line, ano?
That's right. So that's a violation called up against NU. And it's a 3-point for Army.
9-5 bigla.
Mababa lang, kung gano'n. Tipitin mo lang. Tipitin mo lang ng gano'n para dodopamina. Sayang mo,
Joy, ikot tayo para maharap na si Jaja. Tara.
Isang tayo, Mayla. Pag binigay tayo, patayin mo. Takboy mo to. Takbo, labas si Mayla. Wala ka na dyan. Huwag mo na paraan.
Nagpapatuloy po ang Shakey's really. Fifth set na po ito, 9-5. Army is almost with a foot into the next round actually. Ito I think this might close the door or tighten it even further against NU. Because they have not picked up a win here in the quarterfinals. The lone win that they're carrying over here has been that win against Ateneo, because their wins against PNP and UP
Are not
no longer carried over.
Yes, that's right.
Boy, Army is now 5 points away from icing this.
That's outside.
Sa akin, sa lahat, si Rico de Guzman sa akin ang pinaka-poised sa bad serves. Sa lahat. Yung iba, nag-react.
Reaction. So siya kalmado lang.
Okay. Unless gawin nila 3 beses, siguro magre-react na. Oh boy! I like the quiet heroes of the Army. Jeannie Sabas, Manny Bautista. These are the big factors. The intangibles. 11-6.
Good block from Dakis.
And I keep saying that's the most underrated part of her game. She's happy, but not on this side of the floor.
Ha? Hindi, inuulog mo na. Hindi mo na. Wala na tayo magagawa doon. Umisip ka na gano'n. Iuhulog niya. Kasi nandun siya. Gawa mo ng para na may set.
$12-6 could be just a matter of time before Army ices is unless NU comes up with something miraculous and spectacular. Their game is, you're so right, Ivy, nag-deep yung game nila, no? Especially in the 3rd and 4th sets.
Miss time there from Jaja.
Yun, hindi na sadya yun. 13-6. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ang dengue. Ang makakatulong sa inyo, Lion Tiger Katol. Yan ang gamitin nyo. Proudly Philippine made. Pablo. Hindi umakyat. Yan. Huli. Tinaas ni Agno. Dakis. Huli. Karalabat. And it is now match point. Capacity crowd.
And this is not even the championship or finals, huh?
14-6. Heartbreaker here for NU, really. But Dragons still scoring, making it 14-7. And that's the spirit. Till it's over, don't stop firing. Valdez is in.
Very crucial serve here for Valdez.
Tina Salak finishes off NU. 5-set win by the Army. How many more can they eke out, actually?
And this is our shake and play. Tina Salak just decides in the last minute to dunk it over.